Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric screwdriver for DIY projects that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Fanttik E1 Max Mini Precision Driver. The Fanttik E1 Max is a compact electric screwdriver built for precision. It ships with 50 magnetic bits and a neat magnetic storage case. This kit is aimed at phone, camera, laptop, and watch repairs and fits tight spaces with ease. The motor gives steady torque for small fasteners. I like its ergonomic body and the included hex adapter for more grip. The magnetic bits stick well and the charging life is practical for short repair sessions. It is a smart pick for hobbyists who want a tidy, reliable set that handles delicate tasks without slipping or damage. Moving on, at number 4, we have the SKIL 4V Rechargeable Cordless Driver. The SKIL 4V Cordless Screwdriver is a simple USB charge tool for light home tasks. It includes 9 bits and a bit holder to handle common screws. The slim shape and low weight make it pleasant to use for quick fixes around the house. Charging by USB adds convenience for travel and jams. The motor is tuned for small fasteners and furniture assembly. I find the balance and ease of use helpful when I need a fast driver without learning complex settings. It is a basic, reliable pick for everyday DIY jobs. At number 3, we have the SKIL 4V Circuit Sensor Driver. This SKIL model adds a circuit sensor feature to the 4V cordless driver for safer work near live circuits. The kit includes 9 bits and a USB cable to keep it charged. It suits quick electrical fixes, light assemblies, and electronics. The sensor helps me avoid risky touches and adds confidence when working near wiring. The driver keeps a slim form and easy balance for steady control. It is a practical tool for anyone doing small electrical or electronics tasks at home or in a workshop. At number 2, we have the JOREST 155-in-1 Precision Driver. The JOREST 155-in-1 set is a full mini electric screwdriver kit with 5 torque levels and many bits. It covers phones, PCs, game consoles, and watches. The adjustable torque, max 0.75 Nm, helps prevent stripping tiny screws. I appreciate the wide bit range and neat storage case for long projects. The driver suits tech repair and varied home tasks. It balances precision and flexibility so I can switch jobs without buying new tools. This set is a strong, all-in-one option for makers and serious hobbyists. And finally, at number 1, we have the HOTO 25-in-1 USB-C Precision Driver. HOTO's 25-in-1 mini electric screwdriver is a sleek USB-C rechargeable tool for phones, laptops, and cameras. The compact design and magnetic bits make swaps quick. It offers steady torque for common electronics and small builds. I like the USB-C charging for modern convenience and the tight fit of bits for secure work. The set balances portability with enough options for most hobby repairs. For people who value a modern charge port and tidy design, this HOTO driver feels premium and is easy to keep in a toolbox or drawer. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.